Okay, here we go. Project for the shop. Bought this old dump trailer. You can see it's pretty rough. It's been out sitting by a natural hot spring, so it kind of rusted everything. But I think it will be okay. Obviously, I put new tires and wheels on it. All in all, I think it'll be a pretty decent trailer once I get it cleaned up. Hopefully, it'll be okay. It's got a lot of work to do. Jack didn't work. I had to use a handyman to get it on and off the truck and that. And they told me the pump and everything worked, but the battery was probably shot, and most definitely is. I had this battery sitting around the shop, so I thought I'd just throw it in just to test the pump and see if this thing's even gonna work at all. Okay, so here we go. Honestly, this is the very first time I push this button, so hopefully something works. Oh, look at that. She raises. Woo! Well, at least we know it works. Let's see. It even powers down. Obviously, it needs some grease. That's a win right there. Awesome. Super excited. Now we just got to clean it up and grease it up, and hopefully everything will be good. Okay, I'll keep you updated as we go along. The bearings were shot in the jack, so we had to tear it clear apart and do a little work on the lathe and put some new bearings in it. Okay, let's do an unboxing here of our secret weapon for getting the rust off this trailer. I'm sure many of you have seen this on YouTube. I've seen it, but I haven't tried one myself, but they claim they're pretty good. So it's one of those dustless sandblasters. So we got a hose here. I guess this is the pickup tube. And then of course the nozzle. Safety glasses. It's like miscellaneous hoses and fittings, or miscellaneous hose clamps, and then some extra nozzles, it looks like. And look at that, they even send some instructions for us. So I'm gonna go get the pressure washer and see if we can get this thing set up. The grease zerks on these hinges were stripped out. So I went ahead and just filled them up with weld so that there would be enough material to drill and tap them for new grease zerks. Okay, I was really excited about the water sandblaster, and it worked pretty good, but after all of that, It was about 15 minutes after it dried, it flash rusted, so I ended up going over the whole trailer with a wire brush anyway. I probably should have just started with that, not have spent my money on the sandblaster, but it's all good. We live and learn every day, right? Okay, here we go. We got her all buttoned up. We did a paint job on it. Replaced a bunch of lights on it. Of course, new tires and that. You already knew that. Everything seems to be working good. All the hinges work good now. Before you couldn't even open this gate. Now it all works good. So, replaced, got all these grease zerks on the hinges. All the gates are working good. You can tell, no screeching or scratching. Yeah, I'm lazy. I didn't paint the bottom of the bed, but it's just going to get washed out anyway. So really my goal wasn't to make this showroom condition, it was just to make it functional and reliable. So all in all, turned out to be a pretty decent little trailer. That should be a double thumbs up. Thanks for watching.